Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine you are sitting in a warm and cozy cafe. You can smell fresh coffee. You can hear soft music. Outside the window, people are walking by. It is a beautiful afternoon. Now, open your eyes. Today, we are going to that cafe together, in English. Welcome to Train Your English Brain. My name is Alex, and I am your English teacher. We speak slowly, clearly, and simply, just for you. Today, we talk about going to a cafe. A cafe is a small and comfortable place where you can buy drinks and food, coffee, tea, juice, cake, sandwiches. Many people love cafes. They go there to relax, to meet friends, to read, or to work. Cafes are part of everyday life. Let's go inside together. I push open the door of the cafe. Push means to move something away from you. The door opens. I walk inside. The cafe is warm. It smells wonderful. The smell of fresh coffee fills the room. Fills means the smell is everywhere. I look around. There are small wooden tables and comfortable chairs. Wooden means made from wood. The walls are light brown. There are small plants in the corners. It feels cozy and calm. There are not many people today. A few people are sitting alone with their laptops. A laptop is a small computer you can carry with you. One couple is sitting near the window. A couple means two people together. They are talking and laughing quietly. An old man in the corner is reading a newspaper. A newspaper is a big piece of paper with news and stories printed on it. Everyone looks relaxed. I walk to the counter. The counter is where you order and pay. Order means to tell the staff what you want to eat or drink. Staff means the people who work there. A young woman is standing behind the counter. She smiles at me. She says, "Hello, welcome. What can I get for you today?" I look at the menu. A menu is a list of all the food and drinks you can buy. The menu is written on a big board on the wall. A board is a flat surface where you write things. I read the menu slowly. I see many kinds of coffee. Black coffee, milk coffee, iced coffee. Iced means cold with ice. Ice is frozen water. I also see tea. Green tea, lemon tea, and milk tea. I see juice, orange juice and apple juice. And I see food, sandwiches, cakes, and cookies. A cookie is a small sweet biscuit. Everything sounds delicious. I decide to order an iced milk coffee and a slice of cake. A slice means one piece of something. I say to the woman, "Can I have one iced milk coffee and one slice of chocolate cake, please?" She smiles and says, "Of course, that will be $6, please." Of course means yes, no problem. I pay $6. She gives me a small number on a card. She says, "Please find a seat. We will bring your order to you." Find a seat means choose a table and sit down. I say, "Thank you very much." She says, "You are welcome." I look around the cafe again. I choose a table near the window. I sit down. The chair is soft and comfortable. I put my bag on the chair next to me. I look outside the window. I can see the street. People are walking. A child is eating an ice cream. A man on a bicycle is riding past. Riding means moving on a bicycle. Life outside looks busy, but inside the cafe, everything is slow and peaceful. A few minutes later, the staff brings my order. Order means the things I asked for. The iced milk coffee looks beautiful. It is in a tall, clear glass. Tall means high. Clear means you can see through it. The coffee is dark at the bottom and white at the top. The cake is on a small white plate. It looks rich and moist. Moist means soft and a little wet inside. Perfect. I take my first sip of coffee. Sip means a small drink. It is cold and sweet and strong. Strong coffee means you can taste it very well. It is exactly what I needed. Exactly means perfectly right. I take a bite of the cake. Bite means a small piece you put in your mouth. The chocolate is rich and soft. I close my eyes for 1 second. This is a perfect moment. I sit in the cafe for about 1 hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes. I drink my coffee slowly. I eat my cake slowly. I look out the window. I think about my day. I think about my week. Sometimes I write a few words in my notebook. Sometimes I just sit and do nothing. Doing nothing is okay sometimes. It is called resting, and resting is important. Before I leave, I go back to the counter. I say to the woman, "Everything was delicious. Thank you so much." She smiles and says, "Thank you for coming. Please visit us again." Visit means to go to a place. I smile back. I pick up my bag. I walk to the door. I push it open. I step outside. The air outside is cooler now. Cooler means a little more cold than before. The afternoon is becoming evening. I feel relaxed and happy. A good cup of coffee and a quiet hour can change your whole day. Whole means all of it, complete. Now let's review the key words from today. Café. A café is a small, comfortable place where you buy drinks and food. Order. Order means to tell the staff what you want to eat or drink. Menu. A menu is a list of all the food and drinks you can buy. Slice. A slice means one piece of something, like cake or bread. Sip. A sip means a small drink. Moist. Moist means soft and a little wet inside. We use this word for cake and food. Visit. Visit means to go to a place. 7 key words from today. Next time you go to a cafe, try to use them. Say the order in English, even just 1 sentence. "Can I have 1 coffee, please?" That is enough. That is a great start. Thank you for listening to Train Your English Brain. Every cup of coffee is better with a little English. Small steps every day lead to big results. See you in the next episode. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.